What is an article? An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. English has two articles, the and a, an. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A, an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a, an the indefinite article. The equals definite article. A, an equals indefinite article. For example, if I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book, rather than a specific book. Here is another way to explain it. The is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. Therefore we use the. A and is used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of the group. For example, I would like to go see a movie. Here, we are not talking about a specific movie. Here, we are not talking about a specific movie. We are talking about any movie. There are many movies, and I want to see any movie. I do not have a specific one in mind. Indefinite articles a and an. A and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. This refers to any dog. We do not know which dog because we have not found the dog yet. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here, we are talking about a single, non-specific thing, in this case an elephant. There are probably several elephants at the zoo, but there is only one we are talking about here. Remember, using a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word, so a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant, a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel, an elephant, an egg, an apple, an idiot, an orphan. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, a user, sounds like user. In other words, begins with a consonant Y sound, so a is used, a university, a unicycle. An plus noun starting with silent H, an hour. A plus noun starting with a pronounced H, a horse. In some cases where H is pronounced, such as historical, you can use an. However, A is more commonly used in preferred. A historical event is worth recording. Definite article, the. The definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. This signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. Here, we are talking about a particular police officer. Even if we do not know the police officer's name, it is still a particular police officer because it is the one who saved the cat. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Here, we are talking about a specific noun. Probably there is only one elephant at the zoo. Count and non-count nouns. The can be used with non-count nouns, or the article can be omitted entirely. I love to sail over the water, some specific body of water, or I love to sail over water, any water. He spilled the milk all over the floor, some specific milk, perhaps the milk you bought earlier that day, or he spilled milk all over the floor, any milk. And can be used only with count nouns. I need a bottle of water. I need a new glass of milk. Most of the time, you cannot say, she wants a water, unless you are implying, say, a bottle of water.